Umwalimu kigusikara kyubwate kere yazu yani paka tinyi wetu tokore lakini nari kwesti ege tongora ntoto kumanya kaigo asa mangono yo kwaruka ukwanyiruka usine nyangi nkiyaka gerire munda ina kimunda getere pa kwaruka gusebi tango kibyaka gerire
yona no kumanya kuboli question ya kwaboli no maite kuboli boli
bano maite ke gusingo ndadenje boli ke gusi
igoto manyite mbwarugete
yini ngarugete
engaki bwarugete ukwaruka ninki
yese una bangarugete igonga kire unangirete yo
nyoko kwarugete
ya anyitari bangarugete abasaje
malaika wa eke usi okwaruka nekero kwali gwitigwa kinyangi shoko bumusaja obwato musigi okugosega ogosegia yani ogosomia okwakisemi igoro y'obumanyi n'ogocha komenya bw'omusaja wasomi gose emyaka 3 umusugi yako gosomi watebwe emite y'ekigusi watebwe kisegi cy'ekigusi watebwe kinyangi cy'ekigusi kyacha gukorera ekigoro igoro wone kero gocha gokebwa kwarukiwa waeteire chinchereki n'ekinyinju kyonsi bicyukomanya igoro y'egesaku igo kwamanyire egesaku n'ekinyinju kyaye kinyinju n'obamenyi kinyigekero n'ekingako kinyigekero n'ekingako oboroso bwokoba omuntu ekigusi otararuka omuntu bono obuntu obu gochakira kikwarukibwe tari amagana ya mwachaka koreta abaisia abangi nabakari kubera negitari ariema omongi nogenda wanebese uchakorenda omuisi uri oraraime ekigitari kigusi okuno kumuema nomaetekera omwana akoimugo bono tari gochikopiara abantu bari nomo. And that is the new development of Buddhism. Umaete moko bwana Buddhism no baro nyingo seningi. Buddhism nekero tabwa de tema chiko yegesaku. Ekero kwaro. Tari bakungu bakaire bana iburu nabasacha. Nabasacha abare kuira bana ba mura. Nabakungu paira abana abaiseke esaro tari mutilation tari okwaruka nyaruka njale kwaruka gusi
ogosaro
iyali gosaro nogosara nebisara okomanwa tiba jizo nemidikete ostomoto
ya yari yuweta abasubati abagasarirwe
abana kimara barukiwa lakini okwarukiwa n'ogosara was a certification of knowledge of family and being. Knowledge of family and being. Koba. Igo mumura ekero wasomi the core values, foundations, streamlines in these foundations and the backbones of culture and its issues. Yona libono kwa lekomo musa gokorwagu ikiara chi foundation chinkwase metigo gatebi bona ubwate semya semi mwabo utasemeti omino naye mari kanago chita ukamanya semya chi nando ukamanya how to apply them na libono kwa biro musa umusacho gusachore tera mukungu kunga knowledge. So okwaruka was a certificate, but they a diploma certificate. Yobogima.
Musubati ere timeti okay usembo ndo isiko kwa na sali digital inaro nile ati basabati mbali kwarukirwa
ya mbali kwarukirwa bange gusimba ari kwarukirwa
ko kwankania ugo sarwa
gusimba ari go sarwa
narole boneka bakani kumbali go sarwa ege
gendera
mbali go sarwa ege ndekaye ngo gita bole no mugusi
nje no mugusi na kweli. And I love my culture. Yes. So seriously. Because every step in life, divine. Divine is the essence so that you live well. Whatever the matter is, whatever stress, whatever can omenyete as per the programs of community and society. Your life very defined. It was beautiful. Don't go there with Janica. Omosi agadeti, I didn't chop, I didn't know Pakunga, Rossi, Nagare to say, but I get nice. Where could you meet your mother? Akuna? Your sisters? Akuna? Unless occasions, what I want to go to your market to say. Your sisters and brothers, you never come in your kabisa varolekani. But you see, the actual essence was that Okwaruka was way of passage from one generation to another generation. And we needed cohesiveness and integration. Like you want to have a pastor. They have demonized Ogosari. It was not a demon. It put these girls on a straight moral path. Like you want to watch it, moral path, especially you artists. I watch you. I look at you. You are doing plays and you're not even doing cultural plays to show us mannerisms and behavioral patterns. You should think of that soon and they can assist you. But Chumusi was a very powerful kingdom.
Wow!
The mic in the way.
I rock this on. I rock this on.
When I get up, we're coming to take a song. Make one of them.
Nchenguru kwa baba antivirus. Simba mwenyewe. Ananguruma. Kila mtu anasikia.
Lakini abadali utumie Kiswahili.
Abatwa bitu bali mundi geretie. Onumwamu obino nyambane. Ukarego toeke gusieke nuke kabisa. Na kia abantu bakinite korukare. Na kia nyomo yarenke ingu nkurukumu boraka. Chintaka abataka nwa barabi. Amari tanda abantu bachake kunyetumia paraga. Okonya rumonda gukwane bwate meaning ngao. Lakini abo babere mo gufuatiria omujadaro uyo ngagerete kwa rusire gintu kya mana. Naende gintu kyo gosomia. Egintu ndabaterie. Nyuma ntara omwalimu bino engana yo muisanye kuri. Omwalimu bino as industry yaito twatemere kwa akabona nje. Gokorande drum yokorora. Batiaye na konyore to. Nje na konyore to. Njabona kara kwarango ratina kire binto gokurumaega kora kinimbaro ba akire no mwamu bino. Nimete challenges nchiro gwa eteire. No tako kwana nkeigo challenges chiri konyara gwa eteire.
Challenges chikora bas active. You're very common across board. Nabachigo go affect, nabachigo affect abana bato work na barabu. Nabachigo affect in the ways. But you see, it depends on the training. Right? Art is wonderful. Creative and performing art is a way of communication that is beautiful. And that is what we use. But repercussions,
Musongo chitu ke movie ya Sabiri.
Yeah. Sabiri ya chanda ite movie.
Nkia.
Aba sacha. Bakumwakira chisimia abandi bakumudumira chimesa. Tigana neri gake yukikyo. Yani baro chino mumaine. Bani bato koru South Africa, koru Kampala, koru Kisumu, koru Nairobi, Nchuga, tigana ne muntu. That is a challenge already. She must learn to accommodate Quillingly, outgoing.
Yeah, affected.
Chinky go affected. I'm a trainer of dance, I'm a trainer of acting, I'm a professional in acting. So it cannot affect me. But we need to disengage these people from the character we have given them on stage, right? You must decharacterize. I don't know. Sabi very normal. Now I need to kumisa.
So the Aromogen
in acting, I love she rose to my level.
Yeah?
Na my level na nyiki after very many years.
Nyake vengi.
Kwa nanyo alite kwenda kati. Yota maiti acting, yanta maiti measurements how can I put it to you? Tale measure.
Manyasa.
Iga so naturally. When everybody is after her. Even there was a movie to when it worked in Erna and about Kisumu. By a totally different body. You should not disclose. Like to when it and Kisumu, to many for 1 week acting a movie. It is an international movie.
Wow.
Just out of that clip. So you see, we have the potential. But you people, I wish you artists can come together. Nani more respect each other. Nani more escape into the from music, acting, delivery, speeches. Because as you make speeches, speeches, that is public speaking. All these things. You can be good, you people, and you talk reasonably. Lakini abane para obalichi producer bakubwata bayimukibintu antivirus yakoni babikira nyambani antivirus ojo soke market yonyorana it is so bad. So it is good to have a group that is monitoring and evaluating what young people are doing and admitting people on board or refusing. It will be a wonderful idea. Think about it.
Demona sana. Abantu baminto kakiri ento na batebi. Abo babwatire gintu kagite babwatire gintu.
Kwa sinyamira. There is a hope. Sahenris. Ekero wa ikire konate okwenda mire town. We established that place to teach you ekebusi. Wanya godaito mochibu mugusina kyo likorekana koro mobuche binyamesanju bisiere koro bisiere mate na geita. Wikokore wiko ogendo mochiyunyo ligeri.
Wow. Biamona sana. Yani paka yiwete mwamtini wetu kubwato kora kinyo koma yechiza changire. Nashukuru sana sitem yao. Wachire kwa kwalira bagusi ekyagera bagusi baro ba diaspora gali bagwachite kyage.
It's okay, it's okay.
Mbaro bale kyage
my students.
Abange baga someti buno mo brother ko Dominic. Omenyete Texas yali abante I know mwalimu wae kwa kabeire.
Hai.
Umungwana sana. Dominic ya maigajwe.
Babo Gideon Misati. You want to be governor? I know.
Gideon Misati kuru nyamira ruguru.
My sister Nara was in New York, Colorado. Abantu bali Minnesota, abantu bali Texas. Mwensi pi in diaspora.
Kaki.
Obande mukwiruka ondande. I don't know where you are right now. I respect this and admire.
Ondande nimo manyete kuru US yali. Umungwana sana. Fred Mukaya actually nante bika. Buna kwarenge go chante vile rongo cha buna kwarenge go cha iga okwaneke gusinga geta okategerere kuru Texas mungu. Ago ku Fred Mukaya. Naende na mbere namba yao.
Kabe musacha muya. Ikeroko ba musacha muya.
Baro.
Naliyo obwansu bugutuka nyomba mwawo. Na musacha muya.
Baro.
Musacha muya. Nukulinga nkundi kurugesieri mwaye omogoko sano no kanyomba. Enkundi niga. Iga bono muntu gocha gochega. There is protection.
Wow.
Enkundi nebuguliti. Provision. Nenkundi. Nete neine.
Aquí bien moro.